Good day, biomeds. Uh, Today we're going to repair a manual BP apparatus stand type from ALPK2 made in Japan. And the report for this one is every time they inflate the bag and stop at certain point, the needle will go down immediately. So first we're going to check this up and find out what really happens. First, I'm going to inflate it and we'll see what happened. Okay, I started pumping the valve. Well, as you can see, there's the needle. It goes down immediately. You can see it stop at certain portion, and that's the problem. It should not be like that. Every time you pump, then the needle will go back. So first thing to do is to check for any leakage. But for me, since I already know what's the culprit, and I'm going to check it, and I'm going to close the bulb every time inflate. As you can see, it stopped. So meaning there's a problem with the valve. Okay, so we're going to check the bulb first, and if in case it does have a problem, then we're going to replace this one. Okay, let's check it up. Okay, we're going to check this up, but first we're going to remove the valve. Second, we're going to remove the upper part using a precision type flat screwdriver. We're going to check if there is a accumulated dirt inside, because for sure that's the culprit. Okay, I think the diaphragm is clean. We're going to check inside. Actually, I did see a dirt accumulated inside. I'm going to clean that one. And I'm going to return it back. And the operation with this one is every time you press the valve, this spring type uh, uh, gasket will go up and down and release the air going to the inflatable bag. Every time you press, it will go up, then once released, it will lock down the hole, or it is called a one-way valve. And there is the air regulator, and there's a hole there. Uh, that is where the valve will be. Oh, I mean the air will be released. I'm going to return it back, and we'll try to test it. I hope it does. Okay, I'm going to test it again. Make sure that it's okay. Well, as you can see, I think it's okay. Uh, I'm going to test it for myself. But be careful, biomeds. Do not try to repair the mechanical inside the BP that is calibrated to the company or the manufacturer. Okay, biomeds. I hope this will guide you on your future biomedical equipment repair. And once again, thank you very much and God bless you all.